This video shows you how to use the guick HIV self-test properly. The test has been shown to be effective, accurate and safe to use. It is important to follow the instructions to ensure an accurate result. Please note that if you are HIV positive and taking HIV treatment, this test is not for you, as it may produce a false negative result. Do not eat or drink for 15 minutes before you start the test, or use mouth cleaning products 30 minutes before you start the test. Okay, let's begin. First of all, find a quiet place that has good lighting and a flat surface to perform the test. Open the pack, take out the instructions and read them carefully. The kit contains the test stick, a tube of test liquid and the tube holder. Find the test tube and remove it by opening the pack. Next, remove the cap, then place the tube in the tube holder. Next, find and remove the test stick. This small packet is for storage only and is not needed for the test. Throw it away. Make sure you don't touch the flat pad. Press the flat pad firmly against your gum and wipe it once along the upper gum and once along the lower one. Put the flat pad all the way into the tube until it touches the bottom. Leave it there for 20 minutes before reading the results. Do not read the result after 40 minutes. Now let's read the result. If there are two lines, one next to the C and one next to the T, even if it's very faint, then you may have HIV. If your result shows two lines, you should contact your closest healthcare clinic or nurse. They will be able to perform follow-up tests and give you advice on what to do to stay healthy. If there is one line next to the C and no line next to the T, then your result is negative. However, if you think you have been exposed to HIV recently, then you should take another test in 3 months. If there is no line next to the C, or a red background makes it impossible to read the result, or if the line is neither next to the C or T, then the test is not working and you need to get another one. Now that you have completed the test, remove the test stick from the tube, put the cap back on and throw everything away in the normal rubbish. Thank you for using the guick HIV self-test. Now you know your HIV status.